Hello, today DEWESoft gave me this box full of stuff, so I'm going to do another unboxing video. First thing on the top of the box are these alligator clips, which are always useful. Like, for example, my 60-volt power supply currently is lacking alligator clips. So we seem to have 8 alligator clips, 6 smaller ones and 2 bigger ones. So they're made of copper and these rubber parts slide on. This is good as my last alligator clips broke, the plastic broke. So these should be stronger. Then we have this orange box, or crimping tools, I believe they are called. So we have this box full of thingies to crimp connectors, and we have another box which is probably the pliers. Yes, the very big pliers. I wonder if they are necessary to be so big. If we dig deeper into the box, we see this tip of MOSFETs. Lots of MOSFETs. I should test them later to see whether they are fake. I hope they're not. If we dig deeper, we see this soldering. There's some rolls of tin for soldering. Solder is always a good thing to have. And the last thing we seem to have is this solder whip, which is sometimes useful for desoldering. Well, they gave me quite a lot of stuff, as you can see here. I should be able to use this for my future projects. So mostly the kit of MOSFETs. Usually when you buy MOSFETs, they're more reliable than when you salvage them. Except if they're fake. That's all. So, bye.